Today I'm doing a video about a company called PawCheck, and they make home test kits for cats and dogs. And the current offerings they have are a kidney failure home test, a urinary tract infection home test, general wellness home test, and a diabetes urine test. So if you order any of these, what you're going to get in addition to that is a little packet of basically non-absorbent litter so that you can easily collect the urine specimen. This one, which is a Dutch company, is white, and it actually has a little tube inside that allows you to extract whatever you need. Charlie, what am I doing? And then what happens is, well, you might also get the black version, these black beads. These are both plastic beads. And you want to put it in a litter box that's been cleaned out. It doesn't necessarily need to be sterile. I'm sure all the better if it is, but I've checked with PawCheck and they said it doesn't need to be sterile. So I'm going to open up each one of these packets and kind of show you how it works and how easy it is to go about figuring it out. I plan on doing a review on all of these. However, I haven't had the time to lock up Charlie and Trig in a room so that they will pee in this litter box. Right, bub? So no, I don't like to be locked up right now. There's... And somebody else knew I was talking about him. So without further ado, let me go through these. So this is the diabetes urine test kit. And here's what comes inside. So you have the actual test, which there's a picture in the instructions that I'll show you of what this looks like. And then it comes with a little color chart. And as you can see, there's negative and positive colors to match up when you put it on the test. So all the instructions for every one of these is the same, and I'm going to show you or kind of read through them so you can understand how the test works. So the diabetes makes sense. It tests for glucose, and that's how they do it in humans as well. And some symptoms of diabetes in cats is excessive water consumption, excessive urination, sudden weight loss, general fatigue, and cataract formation. So you have that foil pouch that I showed you, the color chart and instructions, and then it kind of gives you some precautions so that you don't jack up the test. Like, you don't want to use it after the expiration date. It's only for one-time use. You want to wash your hands. It's for in vitro diagnostic use and not suited for colorblind people because of the color chart. So this is what that little test strip looks like, and you get the urine in a cup or in the corner of your litter box, and then you're going to extract it using their test device, and then you're going to match it up with the colors, and then it tells you what negative is, and suggests that you repeat the test every 3 months as a preventative care for your pet. So that's how the diabetes one works, and then I'm going to go into urinary tract infection and kidney. Okay, so the urinary tract infection one also results in 2 minutes, and its color chart, I'm not going to bring out the test kit, just the color charts on these because the other ones are pretty similar. You can see, Charlie's pretty, oh, that's a good one. I like to, yeah, oh, get it, bub. Arr. The negative for the urinary tract infection, you can tell, and then it's got all the positive information and more instructions and procedure on the back. Lastly of the individual test, the kidney failure test, this is what you're going to get. The test is negative or positive if it's those colors on their testing device. And then lastly, the general wellness home test. This one kind of covers it all. So you've got the glucose for the diabetes, you got protein for the kidneys, and then blood for the urinary tract infection test. So if you want an all-in-one one, this is the one that I would grab. If you're interested in ordering any of these tests, you can go to PawCheck.com. I believe that's their website without looking. But nonetheless, I will certainly include a link in the About section below this video where you can visit it there. And, you know, some of the reasons, like, why would you even want to do preventative care? For example, if you adopted a cat from a shelter and you weren't really sure what their, you know, health history was, you might want to try these out. If your vet has said, listen, I'm concerned about the protein levels, you know, in your cat's urine, or I'm concerned about the protein levels that are showing up in your cat's blood work, then you might want to just keep an eye on it this way. It's a lot less expensive than going to the vet and having it done. And in fact, when my mom's cat Murphy was tested for kidney failure, I believe, or maybe it was a UTI, which is a urinary tract infection. I believe that he was given this kind of test, and it's not that he wasn't given this kind of test. He definitely was, and was given these kind of plastic pellets. And my mom waited for him to go to the bathroom, and then she took the sample and tested and took it. Then had to take it back to the vet to have it tested. So this is a lot cheaper option before you have to go to the vet. Now, of course, if you have a positive result, you certainly want to take your kitty to the vet and see what the vet has to say and what next steps are. This is preventative care. This isn't a solution. So this just will help in the interim, if that makes sense. I think that is it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Also, I was told that you want to test the urine within 1 hour of them peeing. So if you're doing the test, be sure to, keep an eye on your kitty and see where they are in the process of going to the bathroom. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you